Terminal blocks for current and voltage converters from WAGO. The individual terminal blocks can be snapped onto the DIN rail side by side to form a block. Circuit jumpers can be fitted in the jumper slots located above. It is also possible to insert it as a star point jumper in the terminal block. In the operating position, the measurement device is connected to the current transformer. The circuit jumper is inserted. Move the disconnect links to the shorting position so that the current transformer is shorted safely via the inserted circuit jumpers. The current transformer is not yet disconnected from the measuring device. Moving the disconnect links to the measuring position will interrupt the circuit, and the current transformer is shorted and disconnected from the measuring device. Test measurements can be carried out via the test sockets. You can maintain an overview with the Top Job S marking strip.